The Google Pixel 10 series is on the horizon, marking a decade of innovation. Leaks and rumors hint at some massive upgrades that could redefine the Pixel experience. From powerful new hardware to exciting AI-driven software, there's a lot to unpack. Let's dive into everything we know so far. Models and pricing expected. The lineup is rumored to feature four models: Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Pricing could see a slight bump. Pixel 10, around $999. Pixel 10 Pro, $1,349. Pixel 10 Pro XL, $1,499. Pixel 10 Pro Fold, $2,049. Availability will likely be through Google's online store and major global retailers. Specs and performance. The Pixel 10 series is expected to bring a significant performance leap, powered by the Tensor G5 chipset, reportedly built on TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process. Early benchmarks suggest a strong performance boost with 1x Cortex X4 Prime core at 3.4 GHz, 5x Cortex A725 performance cores at 2.86 GHz, 2x Cortex A520 efficiency cores at 2.44 GHz. With up to 16 GB RAM, an upgraded IMG DXD GPU with ray tracing support, and a more powerful AI-driven NPU, expect a smooth and intelligent experience across the board. Display and design. Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro, 6.3-inch AMOLED Actua displays. Pixel 10 Pro XL, a massive 6.8-inch display. Features: HDR10+, 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, and up to 2700 nits brightness. In terms of design, the Pixel 10 series will likely retain flat edges, a punch-hole selfie camera, and the signature camera bar. A closer look at leaks suggests the Pixel 10 might introduce a triple camera setup, with a possible periscope lens for enhanced zoom capabilities. Cameras and AI-powered features. Speaking of cameras, the Pixel 10 series could level up its photography game with 50MP main camera, 48MP ultrawide lens, periscope zoom lens for the first time on the standard Pixel 10. For video, expect 4K 60fps HDR recording and AI-powered enhancements like Video Generative ML for post-processing magic. Software and AI features. The Pixel 10 series will ship with Android 16 and promise 7 years of OS updates. But the real game changer? AI-driven features like Pixel Sense, an upgraded on-device AI assistant. Speak to Tweak, voice-driven UI customization. Sketch to Image, turn sketches into photos instantly. Magic Mirror, real-time AI-powered image enhancements.